Namaskar, Khushwa Bitya. My name is Dr. Asma Khan, Department of Fashion and Interior, Faculty of Education Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. In previous session, we were already discussed dyeing. Now we will discuss printing. The first printing is batik printing. Batik printing is a historical printing. Introduction. The word batik actually means wax writing. It is a way of decorating cloth by the covering a part within the coat of wax and dyeing the cloth. The waxed areas keep their original color. When the wax is removed, the contrast between the dyed and undyed areas masks the pattern. Batik is a technique of wax resist dyeing applied to wool cloth or cloth made using this technique. Batik is made either by the drying dot line of the resist with the spouted tool called kenting. A traditional method of batik is found in various countries including Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, India, Sri Lanka, Philippines and Nigeria. History. The beauty of batik lies in the simplicity and the fact that one needed not be an artist to achieve results. Some of the best effects in batik are often achieved by the chance. The history of Indian batik can be traced as far back 2000 years. Indian were conversant with the resist method of printing design on the cloth fabric long before any other nation had even tried it. Rice stretch and wax were entirely used for the printing on fabric. It believed that after intense popularity of batik in the past, the tedious process of dyeing and waxing caused the decline of batik in India. Till recent time, batik is very often considered as a craft like ceramics, pottery, even needlework. Although it is household word all over the world, it is overlooked by the art critics who do not consider it an art form. There are several countries known for their batik creation, starting with the India where it originated. After that, it moved to Indonesia, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, Thailand, and the West. These are the famous design of batik: circular design, spiral design, diagonal line design, and the floral design. Reason. The revival of the batik in India began in the century when it was introduced as a subject at the famous University of Shantiniketan in Kolkata in south near Chennai. The well-known artist village of the Chola Mandal is where batik gets in the artist touch. Batik that is produced Chennai and known for its original and vibrant design. Batik printing is done in Gujarat, Rajasthan, Kolkata, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Madhya Pradesh. Batik printing can be done anywhere, but each area and region has its own specialty in design and color. Raw material. Cotton or silk fabric is used for the batik. Paraffin wax is used for the process. Dye naphthalene, direct and wet dye are used in dyeing process. Firewood and kerosene for heating the wax. Tool. Wooden block are printing, vessel to heat wax, plastic bucket for big bowl to mix color, frame table to mix the cloth, brushes for making freehand design. These brushes can be used only for waxing. Process. Batik process will be categorized in several subheads. Basically, batik is resist printing process. First, the waxing was done on the design. After that, dyeing was done. After that, waxing was removing, and the design will be applicable or showing on the fabric. Cotton fabric is step 1. Cotton fabric is bleached with the bleaching powder and water and kept overnight in the whiteness. The process is done by the machine for manually. Bleaching was done because of bright color. We need the bright color, so bleaching is the primary process for the bright color. Bleached fabric provide good colors after dyeing. Step 2. Wax printing is done either with the hand and the using of the brush with blocks. The table on the which printing is done and kept cool with sand and water so that the wax does not spread and design stay consistent throughout. The paraffin wax is melted and kept on the stove. Second step is, first is bleaching, second is waxing with the paraffin wax. Third, after the entail printing, the fabric is dipped in the color fixer. After that, the fabric is dipped in the color fixer. Step 4, the fabric is then dipped in the Nefertol dye for 10 to 15 minutes. Step 5, if only a single color is required, then after this the cloth can be dipped in the hot water so that the wax come off and get the required pattern and color. Step 6, if any white spot are left and does not want that, then the fabric could be dipped once more in any direct dye, say yellow. This process is called topping. Step 7, if one want more pattern and color, reprinting could be done with wax and wool process is repeated again. Batik in market. From the handicraft, batik has acquired the status of art. Batik is a versatile medium that can become an ideal hobby of the amateur of the medium of the expression from an artist. As an art from its quite spontaneous, and one can open up new vistas, creative form until and one open up new vistas of creative form. Until recently, batik was made from dyeers, tailored garment only, but modern batik is livelier and the brighter in the form of murals, wall hangings, printings, household linen, scarf. It has been introduced in many areas as source of income generation where is not sustainable source of livelihood. The market has increased in the last decades and there is more product diversification, and one can batik on clothes, home furnishing, fabric and painting. Beds, mirror are also added on the fabric to give more decorative look. Sales are good in the metros like Mumbai, Bangalore and Delhi, and other cities like Baroda and Ahmedabad. Thank you so much. This session is powered by 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. If you have some query, you can comment in comment box. Thank you so much.